I went 10 years where I was constantly being seen by orthopedic doctors and the Hyaluronic shots and, the inflammation cycle and pain and limitations, and could never really enjoy running. I was always sort of on eggshells, so to speak, just am I going to get injured or hurt myself? And doing triathlons with bone on bone in my knee. Actually, I got so I couldn't even walk without pain. I asked around and I said, okay, who's the best doctor to do my knee replacement? And all the people I talked to who were trusted medical professionals said, Dr. Ferran. Fortunately, he said, you're a perfect patient for a partial knee replacement, not a total. Before the surgery, I was in the weight room, I was doing the exercises. They give you this thick Bible-like book, that tells you, do these kind of exercises and this kind of intensity and this frequency. And they put a plate in where my cartilage used to be. And I like to set goals. And so I said, all right, a year from now, I'm going to go to the National Championship Triathlon and I'm going to qualify for Team USA to go to the World Championship. I said, that's my goal. So they worked with me. A year later, I went to the National Championships and I wanted to just qualify, and I ended up getting third place, which was the best I've ever placed in my life. And I love telling people, now we're 2 years after the surgery and I have no knee pain ever. No inflammation ever. I can enjoy running, and I did a bike race this last weekend and I felt better than I've felt in a bike race in years. And I did 3 days of racing back to back and I got first overall for the 3 days of racing. I'm about to turn 61 and I feel stronger than I have in 15 years. At the end of the summer, I did a all women's triathlon. There were 200 women in the race and I got first place as a 60-year-old woman. It was like Waterman age 60, and then it was like the next one was age 27, the next one was age 30, the next one was age 22, and I'm undefeated in Colorado in my age group. I won every triathlon I did last year and feeling good and feeling strong. And I love to be able to say that not only did I get it back, but I have no pain and no inflammation. I'm actually building strength back.